an experienced clinical scientist, microbiologist, biochemist or hematologist looking to work in Dubai? Getting licensed is your first step to secure a job in the top hospitals and laboratories in UAE. In this step-by-step guide, we will break down the DHA licensing process, including the eligibility, exams, data flow verification, document attestation, and job opportunities. Let's get started. Before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, my name is Shinsi George, a registered healthcare professional. I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates about the latest healthcare related videos. Step 1. Check eligibility requirements. Before applying, ensure you meet the DHA criteria. Education and experience criteria. For medical laboratory specialty titles, you must hold Bachelor in the specialty field or BSc in medical laboratory technology with 1 year emphasis in the field of specialty and the basic qualification curriculum plus 2-year experience post-qualification in the related field, or BSc in medical laboratory technology and certification by the ASCP in the specialty, 2 years experience post-qualification in a related field, or BSc in medical laboratory technology plus 4-year experience post-qualification in a related field can apply. For clinical scientist, BSc in medical laboratory technology or medical laboratory science or equivalent qualification and MSc in a relevant specialty plus 3-year experience post-qualification in related field is required. BSc in medical laboratory technology or medical laboratory science or equivalent qualification and PhD degree in relevant specialty, 2-year experience post-qualification in the related field. For clinical scientist or medical laboratory technologist, specialty licensing titles are blood banking or transfusion, clinical biochemistry or chemical pathology, cytogenetics, cytology, genetics, hematology, histocompatibility and immunogenetics, histotechnology, immunology, medical microbiology, molecular biology, molecular genetics. These are the licensing subtitle for specialties. Step 2. Gather the required documents. You have to arrange your passport copy, your degree, your master degree, then bachelor degree, that should be final convocation certificate. Transcript or mark sheets for all years. Experience letters detailing the job duties and job title. It should be signed by the HR or director or owner of the facility. Valid home country license from the paramedical council. Good conduct certificate from the licensing council. Passport size photo with white background. Your higher secondary education certificate, that means your 12th grade advanced level certificate. Step 3. Sign up and do self-assessment in the DHA Sheryan portal. Step 4. Complete the DataFlow verification. DHA requires a background check via DataFlow group. Verification is required for education, experience, license and your good standing. Cost depends on the number of documents. Fees ranges from dirhams 930 to 1100. Additional charges may apply based on your issuing authority's charges. Ensure the facility where you worked is still operational, otherwise the verification may be impossible. Keep additional proofs such as bank statement or salary transactions and PF statements like that. Do not submit any fake documents. A negative data flow report will prevent you from obtaining a license in all Gulf countries. Step 5. Pass the DHA Prometric exam. Exam can be taken for any Prometric center worldwide. Clinical biochemistry or clinical scientist. The exam duration is 3 hours. Number of MCQ are 150. Fees is USD 240. Passing score is 65%. Topics covered for clinical biochemistry, that is general chemistry test, quality control, automation, then special chemistry, lab safety, ethics like that. You can see the reference materials. Hematology for clinical scientist, duration is 3 hours, number of MCQ 150, USD payment 240 and passing score is 60%. Topics covered are hematology analyzer, special hematology, blood banking, coagulation, ethics like that. Medical microbiology, that is clinical scientist subtitle, medical microbiology, duration is 3 hours, number of MCQ is 150, Exam fees is 240 USD. Passing score is 65%. Topics covered are growth media, molecular microbiology, bacteriology, virology, mycology, parasitology. Now we will discuss regarding exam waiver criteria. If you hold a valid license and good standing certificate from specific countries like Australia, Canada, UK, USA, Ireland, Germany, then you will get the exam exemption. Valid examination pass record from ASCP, that is American Society for Clinical Pathology. If you hold the examination pass record, then also you will get exam exemption. For this, you have to do the DataFlow for this certificate if you hold for getting the waiver option. Some of you will ask, the exam is very difficult and I failed 3 times the exam. Can I apply for a lower title? Yes, of course, you can apply for lower title. If the applicant fails 3 attempts, then you can apply for a lower title with the 1 additional attempt, only 1 time, okay. Then step 6, you have to apply for DHA eligibility letter. Application fees is 220 dirhams. Processing time 5 to 7 days. Receive your DHA eligibility letter. With this eligibility letter, you can start applying for jobs in Dubai. Step 7, find a job in Dubai. Top employers are government hospitals, private laboratories, then medical centers, clinics. Salary ranges from 4,000 to 6,000 per month based on your experience. You have to send the eligibility letter, your updated resume, passport copy and cover letter to the hospital HR departments. When you are sending an email, just attach all these things. Use LinkedIn or hospital career website portals, HR emails and references for getting jobs. Walk-in interviews are uncommon. Most hiring is done online, but some of the facilities they are doing walk-in interview and you will get the notifications for that. Step 8, license activation by employer. Your employer will activate your DHA license. License fees is 1020 dirhams, usually covered by the employer. Step 9, obtain an employment visa. Keep your vaccination records, hepatitis, chickenpox, MMR. If you don't have vaccination records, you can get the title report for this test. Obtain malpractice insurance, usually arranged by the employer. Get a degree certificate attested by the UAE Embassy and MOFA. You can contact Manthra for attestation services. These services you can do prior for starting the application itself. Complete the medical test in Dubai. Usually, employer will arrange for the medical testing. After submitting all documents, your employer will apply for employment visa. Step 10, obtain Emirates ID. Emirates ID is mandatory for all UAE residents. The employer applies the ICP Smart Service after visa stamping. Attend the Emirates ID processing center at the assigned date and time. Final. Need assistance? You can contact Manthra for DataFlow processing, exam booking, study materials, attestation services, resume editing and more services. Subscribe to Manthra for more healthcare career guidance and updates.